Hello everyone, this is DevByte. Let's add coin pickups to our game and track score in just 3 minutes. Quickly create a new empty game object and name this as collectibles and reset its transform component. We already have a coin game object as a prefab in our project. Let's drag this in our game scene. A prefab is basically a reusable version of a game object that you can save and use multiple times across your project. Our coin prefab has box collider attached as component. Let's add a new tag for coin, and we'll give tag to our coin game object. Apply the changes so all instances are updated. Now, let's duplicate the coin prefab and place multiple instances throughout the environment. Now, if we take a look at our setup, the coin has a box collider and the player has a capsule collider, but neither of them has a rigid body. So right now, Unity won't register any collision between them. Let's hit play and test this. As you can see, there's no interaction happening. Now, to enable collision detection, we need to add a rigid body to at least one of these objects. I'll go ahead and add it to the player. Let's test it again. And now you can see the player is correctly colliding with the coin. Next, let's open up our player movement script and handle coin collection. Before diving in the code, let's select all the coins and check the isTrigger checkbox of box collider. We'll use a built-in Unity method called OnTriggerEnter, which is called whenever our player enters a trigger collider. Here, other represents the collider of the object we've just interacted with. In our case, it will be the coin inside this method. We'll first check if the object we touched has the tag coin. Then simple destroy the coin game object. Let's test the game. Now you can see whenever the player triggers the coin, it gets destroyed. Now let's create a simple UI to display our score. I'll add a new canvas, and inside it, create two texts, TextMeshPro texts, one as a label for a score. Now let's position our TextMeshPro element and set its anchor to the top left, so it stays fixed in that corner across different screen sizes. Hold Alt plus Shift and select the top left. Anchor preset, Control plus D to duplicate. Let's do coding for score counter. We create a reference to our UI text using TextMeshPro GUI and an integer for score as well. Now inside OnTriggerEnter, we'll update the score when we collect a coin. Every time we collect a coin, we increase the score by 1. Our score is an integer. But iText only displays strings, so we use ToString to convert the number into text. Let's save the script, drag our score counter text in our score text. Let's test it. Now you can see whenever the player triggers the coin, we have an increment in score. That is it from today. In the next video, we'll create a timer for our game and create a win-lose scenario. Follow DevByte.